So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to install the Java JDK. So to see whether you have installed the Java JDK on your Windows 10 operating system, we need to open your command prompt, then start typing Java space hyphen version, then press enter. So if it says Java, sorry, if it says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, whatever, and so on and so forth, it means the Java JDK hasn't been installed on our Windows operating system. So the other command, it would be Java C hyphen version. So if also the Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, then that means we have not installed our Java JDK on our Windows 10 operating system. So to install one, we need to open the favorite browser of your choice, then start typing Java JDK, then download. So the Oracle site will be the first link that we want to go in, but I'll put this link down in the description so that you can see. So we need to click this link here. Let me maximize this browser. So after it is open, you can see that we now have Java SE 14, we have Java SE 13. Then we can go down, then we can see other early versions here. So the Java SE 14 is the latest release for the Java SE platform. So we need to go to this first Java SE 14 here, then go to JDK download, then scroll down, then we can see that we have, okay, let me start here. We have Linux, Mac OS, then we now have the Windows x64 installer. So we don't need to go to this zip file. We need to download the .exe. So we need to click this one. Then we need to check this box, then so that you see it is grayed out. You cannot download here. We need to check this box, then say download JDK 14.0.1 Windows x64.bin, sorry, bin.exe. So it is downloading guys. So after it is done, I'll be right back. So after this has been downloaded, you need to show this in the folder. Then here is our JDK 14.0.1. Now we need to install it. So I need to double click. So let me maximize here. Why it seems like it is taking so long? I don't know what's happening, guys. Okay, we need to say yes here. Okay, this window will start to appear. Then what we need to do is we need to say next. Then here it is say we can change our folder location here, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. But for you, if you want to change it, you can change your folder location here. Let me say cancel, then say next. Then it start loading. Now it is in progress, so let's wait for it so that you can see what's happening here. Okay, it says updating component registrations. Bum bada bum 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 ba ba bum bum ba ba bum. Okay, now we need to say close here. Then we need to go to the local disk, see, then go to the program files where it says Java. We need to go inside there, then go to this JDK. So this JDK 14.0.1, it is the JDK that we have installed. So we need to go here, then we need to go to bin. After we are in bin, I need to go to my settings. Then from the settings here on, I need to say system. Then let me say environment, not the environment. Environment. Then wait for it. Then we need to go to this edit the system environment variables. Then copy this link down here up until where it says \bin. Then we need to go to the environment variables. Then we need underneath here we can see that we have user variables for KrazyTeeTP. So this is my username. It will change for you. Then underneath the system variables, I need to go to path, then say edit. Then at the end, I need to put this semicolon here. Then I need to paste these program files Java JDK 14 \bin, then say okay. Then after I've done that, let me say okay, then go back to the environment variables here. Then if you need the Java tools, so if you want to work with the Java tools, we need to go back from this bin folder here, or we can call it directory. Then copy this link now. Then go back to this window here and say new. Then we need to say Java underscore home in capital letters. Then we need to paste this link here, but instead of \, then bin, we don't need to include this one. Then we can say okay, then hit okay, then hit okay also. So if you have opened this CMD earlier in this video, so I need you to close this one, then go to start, then open the new one here. Let me close this directory here. Then now we need to say Java, not okay, need to say Java, then the hyphen, then version, then press enter. You see, earlier it said Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now it says we have Java version 14.0.1. Then we also have the Java runtime environment. So it is now working. Let me use this command also, which says Java C space hyphen, then the version here. So it is also working. You see, it gave us the Java C and our version number, which it says 14.0.1. Then what we need to do now, we need to say echo, not tab. We need to say echo. Then this Java underscore. Seems like I don't know how to type today. We need to say echo, then percentage Java underscore home, then percentage, then press enter. You see, now it gives us this location which says C program files Java, then the JDK. I meant to say that, not JVK. I don't even know what JVK means. So the JDK 14.0.1. So everything is working, guys. So if you need to use the Java programming language for your projects or any of that, so we did it, guys. We have installed our JDK on our Windows 10 operating system. So that was it, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.